we're dodging rain these few days, and figures when I'm trying to dodge rain and catch up, we're shorthanded. So I'm gonna leave my haircut for tomorrow because we have rain coming tomorrow, and obviously, like I'm sure some of you out there, between getting all that rain, everyone's calling. So you and I, or all of us, I should say, whoever's watching, we're gonna call back a customer together, see what they wanted, and obviously it's because of the rain. And anyway, I got the right mower with me today. We're gonna mow. We're gonna call back the customer, and we're gonna keep going.
Hi, Virgil.
Hey, Roll, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, I got your message. So your day is always, unless it rains like this week, or last week I should say, your day is always Wednesday. So
okay.
Now we have
That's
rain
great.
coming. We have rain coming Wednesday. So what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try my best to get to your block tomorrow afternoon. Because I don't know if I'm just trying to get there before the rain. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, what we did was tentatively, he scheduled Friday. Had said if he's going to do it before Friday begins, because he'll be here first thing Friday. Everything's okay. So
okay.
You just if you can get it in tomorrow, fine. If you can't, get it Thursday.
Yeah.
I'll just assume it's going to be done. I'm not going to contact the guy. He's going to just show up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense. But yeah, just so you know, your day is Wednesday, and like I said, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to get everybody, like my Tuesday, everything done for Tuesday, and I'm gonna try to squeeze your block in.
Okay.
If I could, late, even if it runs a little late than usual. So, but because I'm watching the weather. Well, I watch it a lot, probably too much. But because it's saying rain for Wednesday. So, but anyway, I just wanted to call you back, and let you know that's the story.
Thank you very much. You've been very, very kind, and I could just tell you that I knew you would call me back.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, Roll.
So, you have a nice day.
You too. Take care. Bye.
Bye.